Hello everybody, Chiva Tech here with another video. This one's very special to me, so let's waste no time. This is the 5-year anniversary edition of Kissland. If you guys haven't figured it out by now, I'm a big Weeknd fan. He's my favorite artist. And this is my favorite album. So for those that have discovered him in the past, Starboy era or Beauty Behind That Madness era, if you haven't listened to this album, I don't know what to tell you. This is a re-release. I actually own the original Kissline when the album dropped. That was my introduction to the Weeknd, was seeing him live, Berkeley, California. He performed this album, and I don't think I appreciated it at the time as much as I do now. I didn't know the trajectory that he was going to have with his career, and now he's going to be performing the Super Bowl, which is incredible. So, let's take a look at it. You can see the sticker here. Still uses the same cover art and inner sleeves, but the difference with this one is the actual vinyls. Yep, this all looks familiar. This is a little bit damaged here. Okay. This is gorgeous. I love this color. You can, I don't know, I kind of feel like something's off about it. Maybe these were the ones that had minor defects. I'll make sure to listen to them and make sure that, it's good quality. My last vinyl unboxing was Blonde, and from what I understand, it's not a official copy, because I guess Frank Ocean only sells originals from his website. So it was like a bootleg version. It did sound great, there was no issues, although the last disc sounded pretty bad. If you guys are familiar with this album, please let me know what your favorite song is. I know it's hard to pick one. This is a body of work. For me, The Town and Pretty are just amazing songs, and some of my favorites of all time. I will say the way the album ends, Tears in the Rain, that is one of the saddest songs she's ever made, in my opinion. That one and Echoes of Silence is, those just hit hard. Alright, just for shits and giggles, I have brought my original copy of Kissland. This is the CD. I still buy CDs because the sound quality is better. Fun fact, one of these girls, I don't know which one, is Asa Akira. I didn't know that. When I saw him on tour, he basically had porn playing in the background, and it was pretty cool. So this is like the... This is really cool. Cat. Or whatever it is. That one's also Akira, I think. I didn't know that. It's pretty cool. There was like a tweet from her, and she was just like saying, "Oh, we need to hook up again. It's been a while." So this is the CD. I actually have the CD in my car right now, so if you guys are wondering where it is. So this is the CD. This is the original LP. And, you know, they're basically the same thing. Like, I can't really tell the difference. This is the 5-year anniversary back. This is the... And then the LPs themselves. Yeah. The black is boring. The clear ones are cooler. Yeah, this is sick. All right. This is basically identical. The 5-year anniversary stuff came out in 2018. Sorry, this video is all over the place, but I hope you guys appreciate it. Let me know what your favorite song on Kissline is. And I'll catch you in the next one.